Hey guys, Joe here with Poor Logger, South Jersey. Before this video starts, I like to make a quick video because they finally came in. So I've been wearing Brunts for about 2 years now, 2.5 years, and they're the most comfortable boots I ever wore. And you can tell I went through 6 laces and wore them out pretty good. But still, the most comfortable boots I ever wore. And I'm glad to finally have the new pair here. I got the Marlin 8 Brunt Toe Comp Toes. You get to open them real quick, see how they look like. It came with the Brunt pants. Nice. And here they are. I got these, which is real rough and tough. That's real nice. The front of my shoes always wear out quick because walking over stumps, logs, when I cut up the 20s and stuff like that, 20-inch logs to bring home for firewood and everything, they always get scraped on them and they wear out, especially on the metal and everything, moving around and doing what you gotta do. And these protect the toes a little better, so that's what I wanted to try these out. And with the Brunt cushion soles in them, they're gonna be big upgrade from my previous ones, which I love to wear, and hopefully can get another 2 more years out of them. I can't wait to wear these. Alright, so just wanted to show you guys that, and it's not a brand deal, but maybe it can be. I wouldn't mind that, Brunt, if you're listening. And yeah, if you guys really want comfortable boots or comfortable shoes, anything comfortable wear, look up Brunt. I'll see you in the next video. See you. Good morning. It is Tuesday. It's cold. With the wind chill, the temperature is at 6 degrees today, so I got my heated jacket on. We are going to do cord of wood today. I'm going to try to put the other fuel filter on the pickup, on the delivery truck. Hopefully that's the answer. Maybe it'll stop sputtering. Maybe that filter's clogged too. Get a cord of wood out and see what else we got to do, because right now we got a lot of snow. Oh, not a lot, but enough to not do anything yesterday. It was a mix of rain, snow, and sleet, and ruined our day yesterday. Couldn't really do much, so we're trying to make up today of what we couldn't do yesterday. Should be enough for a cord of wood there. Cold today. I know it ain't like how other places are, but around here for some reason, man, when it gets cold, it gets cold. The wind chill, and then when the sun's not over the trees over here, like in that shaded area, it gets cold over there. And we got no shop, so when we gotta fix things, it sucks. Not to clean that out. Hopefully he starts. Put the new fuel filter on. Gonna replace this filter right here. Maybe that's a little messed up or got some crap in it. at the filter. Let's go put it on. The only bad thing about the snow, it sits here way too long, and just it's a waiting game, because trying to get into the woods and try to do anything in the snow, you're either gonna make a mess or you ain't gonna get much accomplished, because you'll be slipping and sliding everywhere. I know some loggers are able to do it, they got the right material for everything and the right equipment, but us, we only got too much like that. Got a little bit of stuff in it. That's on. That says it won't turn on, so someone tells me this is all froze. Got juice. Someone tells me it's frozen. You can hear it click. Oh boy.
see what I can do. I have to siphon some. There we go. That's what I needed. Just had to hit it with a hammer a couple times. That can't be full already. Yes, he is. And now I don't put red fuel in my trucks. It's just so I can get this filter going. I don't got time to go get fuel. And now I can't get fuel. Start over on them. Come on. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill the battery now. I'll have to wait until Dad gets back to the yard. Let that thing warm up. The pump, let that warm up. Well, I'm just saying. Oh, this fucking truck.
I don't know what the fuck it could be.
I don't know. Cool. Come on. It won't come out. Gonna break it like that. Gonna break it off.
Cardboard here this side.
One little bolt.
Huh?
Just one little bolt. Let's cause all these troubles.
Try it.
got stuck in there. Must got cross-threaded or something.
There's something back here?
I ripped it right out of the floor.
Is there a pump or something?
I can't see it from this side. I see a little pump. Right behind the filter, right?
Yeah,
Might have to take this off too.
alright. Let's take it off. Things on.
I think they're tilted up.
Huh?
I think they're tilted too far up.
Let me see that.
No, it's like use a short socket.
Swivel socket. Let me get this one here on. No, give me the whole gun. I got
You're gonna go. You can't. You're not gonna go that long.
This one here?
Where you gonna go?
We have a swivel socket. In
No.
Half inch.
No. You don't got anything swivel socket. I don't think. There's a tiny one.
Hey guys, just got back home. Didn't realize that the camera died on me when we were trying to figure things out, but we ordered a lifter pump for the truck. Should be in tomorrow and hopefully finish putting that back together. Maybe that's what's the reason why the truck's been acting up, won't start. But I guess we won't find out till tomorrow. Didn't get any deliveries done because of the truck, but hopefully we can figure it out tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next one. Sorry it wasn't that great of a video. Bye.